Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium.
LME 3-month copper. A fall for bullish white soldier yesterday and a significant close back up over the 50% Fibonacci line for 2022 at 8900, as well as the flatlining short medium moving average currently at 89.35. The market continues to move up within the broken bull channel, which is currently 80.37 to 91.44, which is highlighted in dark blue on my daily chart. The question is whether this move back up and below has mended the break above the upper bull channel line. The answer, well, it seems to have done so, but the action has also raised some further questions. There are two main further questions. Firstly, can the action since the end of January to date be seen as a possible reverse head and shoulders pattern with a neckline currently at 90.55 that is just above the market? There is no answer to this as yet, but it also does raise the possibility of the head and shoulders pattern being not just a bullish reversal head and shoulders pattern, but also that the head and shoulders may be a possible continuation pattern lower. Secondly, is the action since the end of January today, is it a possible inverted roof pattern? It's too early for an answer on this one here as well, but the pattern does have merit. In the meanwhile, we still have overhead the primary target X in the 95.63 area, which was close enough to be almost reached in mid-January, and a secondary harder to reach target X1 in the 99.83 area, all from the original break higher above the bull channel. However, the construction of a rounded top over January has tempered the opportunity for such an immediate move higher. Yet, I had also recently laid out the following situation, that for this rounded top pattern to work, we should see a halt followed by a move up and through the previous highs of January, if this is a bullish variation of that rounded top pattern. Thus, watch out for any further build-up of bullish steam in the next few weeks. Over all of this is the realization that we had a monthly key reversal up in January, which has not as yet been realized, nor has it been abrogated. Now, so far today, a slightly lower open, but still above the short medium moving average, and the 50% Fibonacci line at 8700 before a dip down to that 50% Fibonacci line. Yet this dip was held at the 50% Fibonacci line and may have been an ammunition gathering exercise, as prices have since then risen up over the short medium moving average and now approaching the prospective new neckline, which is currently at 90.55. LME 3-month aluminium. A bullish harami yesterday, and perhaps a daily pattern that might have more meaning than just being a daily pattern. We are still below the June 2018 high at 23.53 and the long moving average currently 23.83. As I've said over the past few days, there may be an alternative narrative to look at here. So, what if the action since November last year to date is part of a head and shoulders top? It may not even be a topping action, but a continuation head and shoulders pattern. In either case, if that is a scenario, then we are in the process of forming a second shoulder right now, with a possible neckline currently at 22.64, as highlighted in dark blue on my daily chart. Finally, I'm cognizant of the dead cross of the short medium moving average down through the medium moving average currently at 24.29, made early last week. This is a bearish indicator, but please be mindful it is a lagging indicator. Now, so far today, well, a higher open and a nice follow-on higher to yesterday's bullish harami, punching up over the lesser Fibonacci line at 23.45, as well as the June 2018 high. The next resistance is a slowly declining long moving average, currently at 23.83. This does not help the cause of a head and shoulders top, but it may be helpful to a head and shoulders continuation pattern.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.